What is the recommended frequency for breast cancer screenings for women? The correct answer is number B, every 2 years. What is the recommended duration for balance exercises per week? The correct answer is number B, 20 minutes. What is the recommended daily intake of vitamin C for adults? The correct answer is number C, 500 mg. What is the primary function of the hormone thyroxine? The correct answer is number D, regulating metabolism. What is the recommended duration for stretching exercises per session? The correct answer is number B, 10 minutes. What is the recommended frequency for eye exams for individuals with normal vision? The correct answer is number B, every 2 years. What is the recommended duration for relaxation exercises per session? The correct answer is number C, 15 minutes. What is the recommended duration for leisurely walking per day? The correct answer is number B, 30 minutes. What is the recommended frequency for colorectal cancer screening for adults at average risk? The correct answer is number D, every 10 years. What is the recommended frequency for prostate cancer screenings for men aged 50 and above? The correct answer is number B, every 2 years. What is the recommended frequency for cervical cancer screenings for women? The correct answer is number C, every 3 years. What is the primary function of the thyroid gland in the body? The correct answer is number B, producing hormones. What is the recommended daily intake of iron for adult men? The correct answer is number C, 12 mg. What is the recommended daily intake for magnesium for adults? The correct answer is number D, 400 mg. What is the recommended duration for high intensity interval training per session? The correct answer is number B, 20 minutes. What is the primary function of the pituitary gland in the body? The correct answer is number B, producing hormones. Which of the following is a good source of vitamin B1? The correct answer is number D, whole grains. What is the recommended duration for vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week? The correct answer is number D, 150 minutes. What is the recommended duration for low intensity aerobic exercise per week? The correct answer is number B, 60 minutes. What is the primary function of the growth hormone? The correct answer is number D, regulating growth and development. Which of the following is a good source of calcium? The correct answer is number B, dairy products. What is the recommended daily intake of vitamin A for adults? The correct answer is number C, 1500 IU. What is the primary function of the skeletal system in the body? The correct answer is number D, producing support and protection for the body. What is the primary function of the hormone testosterone? The correct answer is number D, regulating male reproductive functions. What is the primary function of the circulatory system in the body? The correct answer is number D, transporting oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Which of the following is a good source of vitamin B6? The correct answer is number D, poultry. What is the primary function of the hormone cortisol? The correct answer is number D, regulating the body stress response. Which of the following is a good source of vitamin B7? The correct answer is number B, eggs. Which of the following is a good source of vitamin B5? The correct answer is number B, nuts and seeds. What is the primary function of the endocrine system in the body? The correct answer is number B, producing hormones. Which of the following is a good source of vitamin B2? The correct answer is number D, eggs and dairy products. What is the recommended duration for flexibility exercise per session? The correct answer is number A, 10 minutes. What is the recommended frequency for blood pressure screenings for adults? The correct answer is number A, every 1 year. Which of the following is a good source of vitamin B3? The correct answer is number C, whole grains. What is the primary function of the nervous system in the body? The correct answer is number D, transmitting signals between the brain and the body. What is the recommended daily intake of sodium for adults? The correct answer is number B, 2000 mg. Which of the following is a good source of vitamin B9? The correct answer is number D, dark leafy greens. What is the recommended frequency for skin cancer screenings for adults? The correct answer is number B, every 12 months. What is the primary function of the digestive system in the body? The correct answer is number D, break down food and absorbing nutrients. What is the primary function of the hormone insulin? The correct answer is number B, controlling blood sugar levels.